Happy Mondays, guys. Bless upon yourself. Welcome back to the boss with another video. Alright, first and foremost, I want to give Almighty thanks for your next week so I can there drive on this road and me a blog and can talk to my subscribers and the newcomers. Them big up on yourself. To God be the glory. Great things he has done. As I can see, Prime Minister enjoy himself, him and his wife. Put away all politics aside. You know, sometimes you have to enjoy yourself and, you know, live a normal life. Said way. Alright, so guys, here we go on now. As the song said, tell them why. Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Well, in this case now, this video I'm going to play, guys, it's all about life. And sometimes it come with circumstances. And sometimes some problem can live with and some problem you can try fix. But in this story now, this mother bring her son to the hospital for do circumcision. Alright, so you know what that's all about. And guys, it end up well. Watch and listen.
A simple surgery gone wrong. On May 24, Yannick Davis Morrison took her only child for a circumcision procedure in Portmore, St. Catherine.
The nurse told me that it will take half an hour to 45 minutes the most. While I was there I started timing it now, and 45 minutes passed. I realized they didn't come to say anything to me. So I turned to my mother and I said, Mommy, why are they taking so long? I said, let me ask the nurse to check what's going on.
Unfortunately, 11-year-old Giovanni Smith did not make it home, as within 2 hours of leaving his mother's arms to the operating theater, his mother was met with devastating news. His heart had stopped.
This nurse said to me, the surgery went well, everything, but when he was about to wake up, his heart just stopped beating. I asked what happened. I couldn't contain myself. I run out. I said, Mommy, they killed my baby. His heart not beating. They take me to a room with my mother and they put us in the room and lock us in there with us saying that I can't go into the theater, which I just wanted to see him. I asked them if I can. They said they're going to take him. They're trying to get back his stats up to take him to the university hospital.
The worried mother, whose hope began to dwindle, says that she was denied the opportunity to travel with her son to the hospital, and at the hospital, again denied the option to accompany him to the intensive care unit.
I know something wasn't right, and I was just there crying and hoping, praying, ask God to save me one child, because I take him to do a simple circumcision procedure. And I don't know what happened. I don't know what went wrong in there. But they said he would be out in half an hour. And the next time that I see my son is a dead child. They carry me to show me on the bed, a dead child.
The explanation provided for his demise, she says, is only raising more questions. She insists Giovanni was a healthy child, a claim she says was supported by the doctor who did his consultation and subsequently his surgery.
He said in the meeting that after he finished his part of the surgery, he left the room for half an hour to do something. And it's when Giovanni in complication, that's when they call him back to the room, and that's the time when I saw him running back to the room. I think they should have stayed with him, make sure my penny wake up, make sure my penny alright before they leave the room. Why leave him? He's an 11-year-old child. Why would you leave him?
She is seeking answers to ascertain what exactly happened. Why did the doctor leave the room? How is her child, affectionately called JJ, now dead from what she was told is a simple surgery?
Star, viewers and subscribers, put a like on the video and share the video as much as possible. This is so sad. I know I hear about them procedure, them here's a simple ABC, but guys, what nothing caused this? Star. Some simple little thing, guys. If this lady did know, say, when she go sign the paper and when she go do this will go happen. Yo, may I tell her, sometimes we have to just leave some things as our nature presented. You understand? Yeah. But But I don't know why, mama, I don't know how I don't know how you go feel as a mother. You go feel guilty as a mother. You go say, but you never did just, me can't just, I never have this feeling, but just put yourself in her position, guys. She must feel so devastated. She must feel guilty. She said her son healthy. Her son did all right. It was just a simple procedure and it go wrong. Boy, me I tell her. When somebody send me the story, I'm watching, guys. I say, water, literally, eye water. Full up my eye. I say, channel star. Just imagine. Me have a son too, I'm going to think me I go through that. I can get bigger if he decide he want to do that, him do that, yeah, man. That me I do. You understand? It work out good for some and sometimes it don't work. Boy, I don't know. Only thing cause it, guys, let me know in a comment. What could have caused something like that? Let me know. Channel star. I tell her. Anyway, guys, big up on yourself and thanks for watching. As usual, me always give you some credit for the Monday, so you don't know. Big up on yourself and go watch the next video, Take a note with this video. Please share this video. Channel star. Struggle is real. Go watch this.
Me personally believes a man for have standards and values. And sometimes as a man you feel hard forget. Sometimes some woman for see you out the road and want you and can't get you. And some man and every fractal you see, you feel follow up. Everything you see pass you want, everything with the on social media post you under the comment section like some thirsty duck. Somehow man, have some good woman and hold on some secret out here for some look about the secret and some can't perform well secret. Some good woman have a hold on some secret for and just out the road and spread the secret so. Nothing about and because you claim say boy me a man and anything what me doing now gonna affect me. It affect sometimes some woman for soon and want to know and can't get some woman for soon and say boy a long time I have me up on the boy there the man there. And the man just look my way. Somehow you look everywhere so till you blind. You have values and standards. But sometimes as man, me not tell no lie. Value yourself. Sometimes you for hard forget and every woman for come and can come enough up themselves. And bring disgrace or embarrassment to yourself and woman who already have or just spread some news when you spread.
Boy, I don't say no for a contractor, them have a hate me, but if it work out good, you know a good contractor. To all the clients, they want to build a house, If the house is rough cast and render, you take on a hammer and go through it. Take on a hammer and go through it and go look for them. Take on a hammer. Take on a hammer and go through. Come here, something in that one. See them there? All of them. All of them, see them there. One line through. See them there? When you take on the hammer and go through the wall, once in the rough cast and render, because sometimes with rough cast and render, when you lick it and feel like it's full steam and it's not full. Because sometimes the rough cast is thick. Take on the hammer and go through and test on the wall and give me the feedback. You understand? So, this is the hammer to wall challenge for no house on our bill. Test the contractor them and test the tradesman them. If they're solid and everything alright, you know say a good tradesman enough. But if otherwise, you don't know what kind of tradesman and contractor enough. Really plus water. Hammer to wall challenge. We'll make some video how to beat to the wall. And if it's good, you just tag me night. And if it's bad, tag me see area and make we see the type of contractor and tradesman we have across Jamaica. That's right. So if we don't do it and it's good, make video of it and knock it. And if it's good, you can big up on the contractor and do so that's some good and honest contractor. And if you don't go through and knock up on the find them, you tag the area and you know so that's some fuck up contractor do it. That's right. So this is the hammer to wall challenge now. Now building the house, go through and knock it. Alright? We leave plus boss.